Hello guys, in this video I will tell you how to download Pycharm. Pycharm is an IDE to write scripts in Python. So let's get started. So just open Google Chrome and type Pycharm download. Okay, yeah. So this is as I said that Python IDE for professional developers. Just click on that thing. Okay, you can see here there are two versions: professional only for free trial and community for pure Python development. You can download these things. You can just click on download and automatically it will start download. As you can see here, I have downloaded the Pycharm community. Just click on the thing to install. Let's wait. Okay, just click on S and click on next. Okay, see, if you can browse where the Python charm should be downloaded, you can browse it and just leave it, or else like just click on next and click on next. Just click on install. Okay, it will install it. It's getting installed. Let's wait for some time so that it get installed. As you can see here, I have installed the completion of Pycharm. So the completion of Pycharm install has been done. So just click on finish. Okay, let us see how to use Pycharm and how to set a project in further videos. And let us see a sample program also. Thank you so much guys. Like, share and subscribe.